look, today's 28th of January. Wait. Yeah, some updates. Yesterday after me, Ray and Ginseng finished our drink, we was passed by this place and me and Ginseng actually cleaned them off. Yeah, it's empty. Yeah, it's all his. I never play. I won something, so I'm here to collect, but it seems like no one here. Yeah, it seems like today is Sunday, no one is here, I can't collect my gift here, and they actually asked me to come back later, 9 o'clock, so maybe later I come with Aman. I don't know, depends what time Aman come back.
Eventually.
It's yours to leave, but it won't keep me from this heart, and I'll try to get.
It's almost midnight right now. I'll bring Aman with me.
My wife?
Yeah, I'll bring my wife with me so that she can take the prize for me. Yeah, so this is the prize. 拿一张啊！
帮你们拍一张照片。
我老婆。
哟
Hello。
中国式泰国。
俾我老婆搞得㗎啦。係啊，Isa。Yeah, I'm want it. Yeah, I'm want to have a try. So 031，等陣先，等你食咗呢先。031啊，又有啦，打啦031。
One, then
得啦，
and
得
the
啦，梗唔使用啦。
啊，stick mackerel。呢個都好有用，有冇買啦
？Yeah, again, it's not that I don't want to help my wife to carry. It's just that she want to carry.
He life happy wife。睇唔到啊！我到時間要幫我錄。
Yeah, so this is the TV I got. And because it was late night, so the TV was not available last night, and that's the reason why I'm taking it now. Even though I get a big price, it's a TV. It's not that expensive. It's about 600 ringgit Malaysia. It's still valuable. So my question here is it worth it to play this kind of vendor machine to win this kind of prize, or maybe even PS4 or iPhone X or anything else, or maybe to win a camera like this? It seems like we pay for 50 ringgit, we get a TV, or maybe we pay for like 100 ringgit, we get a TV, or maybe like last night I play like 200 ringgit Malaysia, I get this. Yeah, it seems like I earn something, but if we reconsider the whole situations, I have a cash in my hand. I can use that cash for many purposes, many other purposes. Do I really need this? The TV? Really need this? Everything, and of course other prizes. If you want to know what's the rubbish stuff I gave yesterday, you can click here. There's a video to yesterday vlog. Of course, don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you. Yeah, although it seems like we get something from what we pay, we get something more than what we pay, but initially we don't really need it. Like this, I don't really need it. Without this stuff, my life is okay. Without this, my life is okay. Without this, there's not many changes in my life. Even this, it's not needed. For me, it's not needed. The thing is not necessary. So is it worth it? I don't think so. And another thing, if you remember, wait. And I do have another TV which is under my desk. So this one for me is totally useless. Yeah, so that's conclude today's vlog. Again, and for those of you who haven't subscribed, like it and share it. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm a small creator and I need you.